Hello everyone, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and I want to start by saying a happy new month to all my subscribers and viewers that I had throughout the month of April. Welcome to the month of May, and it's also going to be a wonderful month for us, just like April was. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who support the channel in one way or the other throughout the month of April. For your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions, and so on. Thank you all. And this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the Unlinked code that I'll be using on my Google TV and Android TV throughout the month of May. So I did a video for that of April, and this is a video for that of May. So if you're interested in getting an Unlinked code to use this month, then this is the video for you, and I highly recommend you watch right up to the end. If you find it helpful, please do us a favor, like, subscribe, and share if you've not yet done so, so that the month of May will reach more heights. So that's it, let's get into it. So here's my Google TV that I'm using, and the tutorials I'm going to show you, or the Unlinked code I'll be showing, can work both on your Google TV or your Android TV. So if you have any of these devices, then you're good to go with the Unlinked code I'll be sharing in this. So I want to start by saying that if you're looking to improve or upgrade your TV settings, you're looking for a new Android TV box, in the description of this video, I've added a couple of links. You can check out the devices and get the one that suits you. Now, before I go ahead, I want to start by something that I realized just last week. I had a lot of complaints from my subscribers, and they were telling me that the Unlinked application is not installing on their devices. So I did a little research, and it looks like the Unlinked application has a couple of limitations on certain devices. So I can't tell which devices it's not installing on. So what I can do or just say is that if your Unlinked application is still installing on your device, either Android TV or Google TV, then this video is going to be good for you. But if not, next week I'll be creating a video on the best replacement for the Unlinked application on your device. So anyway, with that said, let's get started. Now, the very first thing we need to do on our Android TV or Google TV is to make sure that it is allowed to install applications from unknown sources. So to do that, go back to your system. This is the tutorial on Google TV. If you have an Android TV, this should be different. Now on your Google TV, go to your about, and when you come down to the Android TV OS build, click on it 5 times until you see the pop-up that says no need, you're already a developer. Once that pops up, just return over here and come down and make sure that the developer options is turned on. And this is turned on, that's the very first step to install the application from unknown sources. Now if you have an Android TV, the process is different. Go back to your settings, just search the settings that says allow apps from unknown sources. So once you turn that on, you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. So that's it, let's continue. Since we are dealing with the Unlinked application, we need to start by installing it to our Android TV or Google TV. Installing Unlinked is very simple. You need a download application. If you do not have download application, just go back to your Play Store or for your search apps, depending on which device you are using, and search for the download application. It's available on the Play Store. If you don't have a Google Play Store, use any browser. You're going to be able to install application. So now once you go back to the download application after installing it, just go back to your hash box, the hashtag over here, and type in the code to install the Unlinked application, which is 10381. So this is a code I've been using for over 2 years, and it still works perfectly. So once you come over here, type in the code and just go ahead and launch or load. Once you load that, it's going to redirect you to the download page of the Unlinked application. This I repeat, I know Unlinked might not work on your Google TV or your device. I do not know exactly which of the device Unlinked is not working on. So you just have to try it out and see if it works for you, good and fine. If you don't, then look out next week. I'm going to drop a video on the best replacement for the Unlinked application on your device. So please bear with me. So anyway, here's the application. It's completely downloaded. Once you're done downloading, just go ahead and click on install. Now it's going to be installed to your Google TV or Android TV, depending on which device you're following this tutorial. So once the application is installed, as always, do not open it straight away. Click on done and also delete the app file from your Google TV or Android TV. So just come over here and click delete and also completely delete. Now once that is deleted, you can close the download application and come back to the last page to realize the Unlinked has been installed on your Android TV. So here's the Unlinked application. It's installed on mine. I'm gonna open the wrong application. So here's the application. Just go ahead and launch it on your Google TV or your Android TV. So I just want to start by saying that there are lots of other Unlinked codes that we use both on Google TV or Android TV, or even Fire TV. Even though Fire TV is a lot limited, Fire TV is a lot limited compared to Google TV and Android TV. So there are lots of different codes you could use, and if you're looking for them, check out my YouTube channel. And also in this month of May, I'm going to be creating a new videos on 8 different Unlinked codes that you can use on Google TV or Android TV. So watch out for that. So anyway, so once you're here, just click on add new library. And the library we're going to be using this month of May, or the library I will be using this month of May, is a library created by a YouTube creator. And the library is EMDYOUTUBE. So here's the library EMD YouTube, and it's created by a YouTube creator. Now, as always, I do not own rights to this library. I'm not the owner or the creator of this library. I'm just a video creator showing my users that this library exists and they can use it on their Google TV or their Android TV to get what they want. So I'm not the owner of this. All the rights, credits of this library go back to the owner of the library. So once you're here, here's it. It's called EMD Secret App Store. Just click on enter and it's going to bring you to this library of applications. I don't know how many applications are here, but let me just check out how many applications are here. Alright, there are about 60 different applications with 8 different categories in this library. And when I talk about categories, I'll talk about media players, movies, and so on. So there are different categories. Sorry, I'm blurring this, but you can go over to the tools and players over here, and you're going to see different applications that you can both install to your Android TV or Google TV. And if you take a closer look at the top, you realize that most of these applications are all updated to at least 2 weeks ago. So that's a good thing about this library. Most of the applications are updated. Now, how do you download and install an application? It's quite simple. Just click on the application you want to download and click download. And if your network or internet is fast, the application is going to download as quick as possible to your device, either your Google TV or your Android TV. Once it's done downloading, then you'll be prompted to install the application to your device. So it's very simple to use this library. As I say, the library name or the library code is EMD YouTube. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this library of applications over here. So that's it. This is my library that I'm going to be using throughout the month of May. And if you want to join me, you're welcome in using this library. As I said, it works best on Google TV and also Android TV. If you have a Fire Stick, please, Fire Stick or Fire TVs, they have limited their ecosystem to a point that even if you have an Unlinked code, you won't be able to do much with it because most of the applications will not install to your Fire TV device. That's why I highly recommend, if you're using Fire TV, to get yourself a Google TV or Android TV box. In the description of this video, remember, I've attached a couple of links that are going to lead you to getting these devices. So that's about this video. Just for a conclusion, in this video, I showed you how to install the Unlinked application to your Google TV or your Android TV. And I showed you the Unlinked library or the Unlinked code I'm going to be using throughout the month of May. So once again, happy new month. And if you're watching this video at the end of May, I hope that this app or this library was helpful to you. So that's it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share so that you'll be able to encourage us or help us to create more videos like this. That's it. See you next week with another video.